Right, so here's a quick demo on our TypeKit. With TypeKit, you can remotely edit or translate your website text to any language, just like you were saying. So I can edit everything I'm seeing on this site remotely. I don't need to be the developer or designer of this page. And interestingly, I could also edit this entire text and it does not distort the design, it does not distort the flow, it does not distort the headlines or however I want to position my text. Just like you have some pages that get distorted when you use the traditional Google Translate. But with TypeKit, everything remains intact, your website remains intact, like as though you originally designed it with the same language in mind. So, of course, you don't get to miss any customer who does speak such language. You can comfortably sell, and your message will get to your target audience with the same contextual content. So, with TypeKit, AI system, you can comfortably pick any of your enabled language. If I want to render this to Arabic, all I need to do hit and translate, save, and you can see it maintained the headline for me, and whoever reads in Arabic could comfortably see all the messages set out that has been translated, which I have enabled. And I can always switch this back to my choice language, English, and once I save this, it gets it done. So let's get over to the back end and see what happens with TypeKit. Onto the back end of TypeKit, you can add as much website as you want to, and of course, can come here at my choice website and state the number of languages I want to enable. I could add as much languages I want to target my audience. And TypeKit can automatically identify your website visitors and make the language available to your website visitors. So if you've gotten a website added like this, all you need to do, you can come over to say overview, or you could go straight to customize. When you go to customize, what you're actually customizing is how your widget will show on your website. So I could go add some more languages. If you could recall, we had only Arabic and English, which is what we have showing here. We have just Arabic and English, so I can also enable some more languages as I want. I could add German, I could add French, and once I'm done doing that, I could also state how I want it to be positioned. If it's bottom, if I want it to the right top, uh, wherever I want it. I can also change the color to meet up with my website design color so it fits in. Once I'm done doing that, I can also change what I have here, change language. I could say, let's speak to you. Let's speak to you, right, in your language. Okay, so let's speak to you in your language. And of course, we'll be adding lead capturing here so that you could also capture leads. So this is quite long, so you could just have something as I'm just demonstrating this, what you can do with this, customizing how it looks like. So I go ahead to save that, and that's saved. I can then come over to what we have here as a translate. Translations helps you to see what your site has already translated into. You could see the number of languages, and you can come over here to use the AI. If you come to edit, you can now use the AI system to rewrite content that has been translated, or those that has not been translated. You can just hit an AI rewrite, and it does rewrite it for you to the choice language. If I hit an AI rewrite, it's going to check that out. Going to hit the system and does the rewrite as well. So once you get over that, you can get as much languages set up right there for you. You can also get to see the entire visitors that has visited your site and what languages and what machine they are using to visit your site. And as mentioned, in a couple of days, we'll also be adding lead capturing. I'm going to be showing you that, how you can capture all visitors that's coming and what language they use, so you can always remember the language they use and get back to them. So that's exactly what our TypeKit does. And right over on the overview, you can also see the snippet script. You just need to copy and add to your site. Once you add this, we can translate the languages, and you can also edit the content of the site remotely. So whatever you want to do, you can get it done. So that's exactly how you go about using our TypeKit. And like you know, with Google Translate, all of these functionalities having analytics, you don't get to have it. With TypeKit, you have all-inclusive AI translate tool that allow you not to miss any sales again, and of course understand your audience, understand those that are interested in your product, that you can always tailor your contents to and always get back to them using our analytics. So that's it. I'll be doing a further demo with our lead generating angle so you get to see it as well. Thank you.